Djurdja's Plastic Studio. You're grounded.
Hey Djurdja, it's time to celebrate the 4th of July. Are you excited? No, because I hate USA. Well, too bad, so sad, Djurdja, because you barely ended your grounding 2 weeks ago. So either you will get grounded or you'll come with us for the 4th of July. What will it be? Fine, whatever you say. When Djurdja goes to 4th of July party. Wow, I see Scarlet, Oreo, and more. This party is going to be fun. Grr, I hate this party so much. I need to think what I do to turn the party into chaos. Aha! I'm going to replace fireworks with explosive. Ha 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 ha. You got the great idea, Djurdja. Let's do this. Alright, time for turning plan into action. When Djurdja replaced fireworks with explosives. Alright, time to run before I get caught. Let's get fireworks to celebrate the 4th of July. Alright everyone, stay back because I'm going to get the first firework. This is going to be hilarious. What in the earth happened? Who replaced fireworks with explosive? I know who did this. It was Jade the Purple Circle. What the heck, Djurdja? I did not put explosive. I will never do such thing like this. And you're the troublemaker who always lied about everything. Quit lying. We all know it was you. Well, joke's on you, Djurdja. I actually saw the whole thing. So basically, I saw Djurdja replacing fireworks with explosive. Then I tried to stop him, he ran away. And I'm about to get rid of explosive until I don't have time to get rid of it because the celebration begins. This left me no choice but to let it happen. So Djurdja will get in big trouble. Hey, don't you snitch on me! Uh-oh, I shouldn't have said that. Yeah, it'll be smarter if you're not saying anything, but it's too late. Djurdja, why would you do that for? Because your dumb self took me to this garbage party and I hate USA. There ain't no excuse. Let's go home now. When they got home. Djurdja, how dare you replace fireworks with explosive? You should know very well explosive are way too dangerous. And you ruined the 4th of July because of you. Now we will not celebrate again until 4th of July next year. That's it. You're grounded until Nehemiah Campos release 36. Yeah, go to your room now. Whatever. Screw you, number law nonsense, and screw you too, toxic triangle. And do not talk to us like that either.